Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed Laravel 11 full course, and this part is 100 using the transaction auth get to current user data in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, Manship server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this available database name is real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this table is available user table. Click this user, and this is a login is available. This agent is a login. First of all, this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let this project inside this cmd open, means this command prompt is open. Let's PSP artisan server and enter. Successfully working good. This PSP artisan server. This is a line is a copy and paste here. Successfully this is available. Website is working. Finally slash admin login. Let's inside this is a copy this Gmail account and password is a 123456789, and click this login and not now. Successfully login, and this inside this is a create. This is a transaction. This transaction is a create. In this is a table is available. This table transaction table. Click this transaction. This is a login is a 2 number, agent ID is a 2 number is available. This is a transaction number is a implement order number, transaction ID. This is a transaction ID is a implementation. This amount. This is the amount. Last is a complete. Successfully transaction is a successfully chat. Let's refresh this page. Inside this 2 number is a login. This is a 2 number. This user ID is available 2 and 2. Click this user, and this is available 2. This is a agent is a login. This is only single is a login. This is a 2 record is a list inside this show. First of all, this sidebar open. Sidebar open. Route view means resource view. Inside this is a agent inside this layout inside this sidebar is available. Let's new menu is a create. Menu name is a transaction list. Same here, copy and paste here, and transaction list. Same copy and paste here, transaction list. Save file, and inside this new menu is a implementation transaction list. Successfully this is a available transaction list. Good working. This is a transaction list is a available. Good. This is a working fine transaction. Let's same here, copy transaction list, and this is available as and get same here copy. Otherwise this is the same here copy. Route inside this web.php open, and this is available transaction means this is the admin available, and this login is available as and login. Let's inside this is the implementation route, get and paste here. Transaction control copy class, and this transaction list agent, and this is a close this. Save file. Let's copy this name, copy, and transaction controller. Open this transaction control copy, and this is controller is available. This is available transaction controller. This transaction controller, let's public function and paste here. Request $request. This is available. Good. Working. Let's reset request view inside this file is available. This is agent dot transaction dot list. Successfully this is a file is created. Agent inside this transaction inside this list file is created. Copy and new file create list blade PSP. Successfully create zo and refresh this page, and this is available zo. Good. Working. This is fine. Let's remove. Inside this list is open this add, and this is same here, copy and paste here, and this is a copy paste here. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully available. Good. Working. This is available transaction list. This is a user login is available. This two number, only two record is a show, extra record is a not a show. Let's first of all this list file is open, this transaction list. Admin inside this transaction inside this is the list file is available. Same here, select and copy this. Copy inside this, paste here. Successfully paste. Let's all extra is a remove. T body is a all remove. This is a remove only. T body all remove. And this is a remove. Not use this remove. Refresh this page. Successfully all available. This transaction all available. Good implementation. Please write down this is a username, order number, transaction amount, payment status created and updated. This is available. ID, username, order number, transaction ID, amount, and is payment created and updated. That this is a successfully available. Good working. This is the include underscore message file is a available. This is include underscore this message file is included. Good. Well working. Please write down step by step. This all successfully set. Good working. And this is available transaction table. This is a transaction table. And this is a model is available. The transaction model. This is a transaction model. Inside this table is a implementation. Please write down this file. Copy this file. Inside this is available this file controller. Inside this already included. This file is already included. This table inside this file model. Inside this model create. Inside this is available. $data get record is equal to, this is a paste here, the same here paste. Inside this implementation get record agent. Inside this auth ID is a pass auth user ID. Auth user ID is a pass. Let's close this close, and this data pass. Save file and refresh this browser. Successfully refresh this page. Good working. This refresh, and but this issue, let's same here copy this copy, and this is the model. Inside this new function create, function name is a static static public function paste here, and this is a dollar user id. This is a dollar user id is a implementation. This is a function is a create this model inside this create return self select, and this is a implementation. This same here copy and paste here. Join query is a implementation. Let's step by step implementation. Successfully, this is the implementation. Let's next is a join query is a set join users tables dot, again this is a user same here id is equal to, this is a transaction dot user id. This join query is a successful implementation where this is a transaction same here copy and paste here dot, this is user id and this close, and this is a this same name is a dollar user id, same copy and paste, order by otherwise only get. This is a get record. Let's refresh this page. This is a successfully working fine. First of all, this is a new menu, this create inside this gas agent, and this is the implementation this model inside, and this is a please write down this file is a successfully implementation. Let's tbody inside, this is a tbody inside, this is a class is available. This is a class name is inside, this is already available. The same here copy and paste only td, and tr is a close. Let's same here copy this copy, and inside this is a dollar $4s $4s and paste here as value. Same here, this is a end paste here. Save file and refresh this page, and this is a 2 record is a show. This 3 and 4, this is the id is available 2 inside this 3 and 4 is available. Good. And this join query is available. This join user table is a user id. This user table is available. This user table, and this is id is available. This table is a copy, and this is id is a 2 number, and this transaction inside this transaction table inside this available user id, this is a 2, and this is a available transaction is user id, and this transaction table user id was get is a get successfully get. This is a all same here copy. Please check this previous video inside. This is a all implementation. This previous video is this seen, and this is all doubt is a very clear. And refresh this page. Successfully all set, but this is a name is a not show, and this is a query inside. This is the implementation. This user dot name. Save file and refresh this page. This is a name is available agent error. This is a successfully available 2 number is available. This number is available user agent. This is a fine. This is the agent, and this is a name is a user agent. Good working. This is a successfully fine. Let's again this new record is a create. Let's create this create, and this is it. Wish user create, and this is a wish create is a user is a show. This is your order number. This is your order number. This transaction id, this is a transaction id, and this amount, and this payment is a pending, and submit. successfully create. Let's click this transaction list. Inside this is a created. Good working. This is a find. This is a find is a created. Good working. This find number. Let's refresh this page. Inside this transaction, inside this is available. One record is a find. This is a 2 and 2 3 record is available. This is a 1. Let's click this in step by step implementation. 1 2 3 4 5. This is a available all set. Let's inside this is a total is a implementation. This sum is already inside this create. Let's same here copy. First of all this copy, and inside this is a new variable is a create. Variable name is a total price, and this is the same here copy, and for s loop inside this is a paste here. This is the amount is available, and the same here copy this copy and paste here inside this tr. Save file and refresh this page, and this is the sum is a implementation. This is only this sum is available. Please click this sum, and this is available. Please write down this is a new file is a create. This is a user inside this list file. Please write down step by step all implementation. Let's pagination wise is a implement with this is a get name is a remove, and this pagination is a set. Pagination in this is a set, and this is a 10 record after automatically pagination set, and this is a name is a order by transaction id descending order. Save file. This is descending order. Save file and refresh this page. Refresh this page and successfully set. This is a find transaction list id. This 543, and this is available. Less pagination is a set. Let's to record and save file and refresh this page, and this is available to record. And this is a pagination is not a show. Less pagination is a implementation. This open inside this pagination link is a implementation. This is a successful implementation. Get record. This record is a set. Get record same name is a set, and this refresh this page, and this is a pagination is a successfully implementation. Good working. This is a 2 record is available. Inside this is a only 1 record show. 2 record, and this is automatically pagination is a show. Less 1 record, and this inside this is close not use, and this is a 20 and save file. 20 after automatically pagination is show. Let's refresh this page, and this is a remove. Successfully pagination is a show. This is a get record 3 for latest record is up, and this descending ascending asc. Save file, and this is a record 3 4 5. 3 4 5 is available. Good working. Please write down this first of all this menu is a create. After this is a url is a create. This controller inside this function is a create, and this is a model wise record is a create this model, and this is a file is a successfully created. This please write down step by step this file. All good is a set. And this any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. Anytime please contact anytime is doubt is clear. And this my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon, and follow this my gold official page, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And this is my channel name is Error Solution. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.